It starts at the very beginning, a very good place to start.
It would be easy to say, if they believe in their dreams, they will do it. That would be the American way. But this is not America, this is India.
They have the talent, if only people recognized it.
They're standing on the stage, performing with a classical orchestra, Western music. Perhaps it's like a dream.
I don't know one word, then what he will do to me? He will choose another person.
I think when I grow up, I may be a doctor or an investment banker.
No, it's another world.
I think that I can do then better than Ashish that song. When he got the solos, then he began to show off. I am not self-conscious. I have confidence in me.
I hope he will hold this moment in his heart for the rest of his life.
It will be change of my life.